Hello friends, I am Vishal Singh. I have cleared my UPSC CSC 2018 in first attempt with All India rank 242, and today I would be discussing with you my law optional strategy. First of all, let's go to the book list so that the resources are complete. For international law, the resources are very tough to find. Most of the resources you can find in S.K. Kapoor book. I use that book along with some of the resources from the internet for last 4-5 topics. For constitutional law, I kept myself to V.N. Shukla and M.P. Jain. Basically, fundamental rights part I read from the M.P. Jain book and others was from V.N. Shukla book. For in IPC, I read P.S.A. Pillai book, and then for tort, it was again R.K. Bangia book, and for contract, I went for Avtar Singh, and the other allied laws I took basically did them from Bayer Acts. For IPR, I read the primer from Nishit Desai. That was enough for that IPR section. Now let's go through the strategy for the law optional. Friends, I prepared short notes of all the subjects. Basically, I prepared notes of sections and cases so that I do not have to find them again in the book. And so I just wrote down the sections and the cases which were related to those sections, and a small briefing about that section if that section is tough. I made notes exhaustively of international law, क्योंकि इंटरनेशनल लॉ एक टफ सब्जेक्ट पड़ जाता है फ्रेंड्स सबके लिए. मतलब उसके अंदर मेरे को बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स आती थी. सो आई मेड short notes of that subject. For IPC also I made short notes, but I was basically stuck to the section part and the cases part. For constitutional law I made the notes of cases only and not other thing, and for tort also I made notes of the cases only. Basically friends, मैंने अपने ऑप्शनल की सारी प्रिपरेशन लगभग प्रीलिम्स के पहले कर ली थी, बट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल लॉ और एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव लॉ मैं पढ़ नहीं पाया था ऑप्शनल प्रीलिम्स के पहले. So that I did after my prelims, and it was not a tough thing to do it because basically I have done it already in my prelims preparation for polity section. Along with this, one thing I did for law optional was I used to get updated with the current affairs daily, because in law optional subject you have to get updated with the current affairs daily so that you can give answers according to the questions, because questions these days upon law optional are coming more dynamic, and so you have to be more dynamic according to that. So for current affairs of law optional, I used to visit sites like Bar and Bench and Live Law and other resources which from Google only. Again, you can get some of the resources from the Hindu as well. So friends, this was my law optional strategy. Thank you very much, and I thank DKT for this session.